Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to open TradingView account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in google.com. So just go to any navigator and then search for TradingView. So just type TradingView and then hit enter. And right here, you're going to find a lot of results. Make sure that you go to tradingview.com. Once you click on the link, this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find your profile icon. From here, you can sign in, contact the help center, what's new. You can switch to the dark or to the light color theme. And you can also change the language. So we're going to click on sign in. And as you can see guys from here, you can sign in using your Google account, sign in with your email. You can sign in with your Facebook, with your Twitter account, with your Yahoo account. You can sign in with Apple or with LinkedIn. If you want to sign up, just go right here to the bottom. You're going to find you don't have an account, sign up. Just click on sign up. And then you can sign up using your Facebook or your Twitter or all of the options right here. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in using my Google account. So I'm gonna select the account like this and just wait for it to load. And as you can see guys, now I am signed in to my TradingView account. So once you're here, you can go click on your profile icon and you can see your profile. You can see the profile settings, account and billing, refer a friend. You can contact the help center, see the notifications, what's new, language, and you can lastly sign out from your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.